Okay, here's my buddy's Alexander Arms 50 Beowulf pistol, and it has the super safety in there. So it's got safe, semi, and then echo or force reset. So anyway, woo, like to hit. Here it goes. So all the way over semi. All right, here goes nothing, folks. Ah, what I did.
Yeah, semi.
Huh?
Oh, semi.
Yeah, that was a semi.
Oh, it didn't cycle?
No, it didn't.
Oh, try again.
We'll edit that out. All right, so that's all the way over in semi. Hold on. All right. In the middle is super safe,
Yeah,
right?
middle.
All right, so here goes nothing. Damn, son, holy shit, birds. Holy fuck. I need some more of that. I need some more of that. Holy shit. That was fucking amazing. No problem, no problem. I think I got it now. I think I got her dug in enough.
I wonder if I'm going to stand right here and try to get the brass cover out here.
There you go. All right. Like to hear it go. Ah, dude. I gotta get my cleats on or something. Lock and load. Put her in the middle. Dig in like a pitcher and holy shit! God damn! I gotta do one more. I gotta do one more where I don't get rocked back. God damn! That is so much fun. Woo! All right, this is the one. Oh, I didn't feed it. Like to hear it go. Dude. The one. Like to hear it go. Dude.